is my little sister Fiona. Today we are going to do balloon skewer experiment. Will you think this skewer can penetrate through this balloon? Let us see. It popped. Then how are we going to penetrate the skewer through the balloon? For this we will need balloons, skewer, dish soap or oil. Let us begin. First we need to inflate the balloon and tie the end. Then dip the skewer into the dish soap and spread it. Then pierce near the knot and through the thick points. Look! It went through the balloon. Wow! We pierced through the balloon, but it did not pop. The reason for this experiment is balloons are made out of elastic polymers, which allows the balloon to stretch. At the top and bottom of the balloon, the polymers are not fully stretched, but can be still stretched. Placing the dish soap or oil onto the skewer reduces the surface tension on the balloon to allow the skewer to penetrate them. The chains close around the skewer from preventing the balloon from popping. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and then press the subscribe button, like and share with your friends. Bye! It's shrinking. It looks like an egg. Welcome to Fun Time with She and the dish soap, dish soap.
Lots of likes. Lots of likes. Lots of likes. Yes, we need lots of likes. For subscribers.